It's value for money. Simply, it's a lot of stuff packed into one. There's a lot of, and then the faculty is great. The dedication is great. My name is Kelechi Enyioha. I am working in an oil and gas company in Nigeria. Just tended to expand my understanding about data and reports. I had researched it a bit, understood how it had to do with machine learning and artificial intelligence, and also had that to do with predictive model building. The Great Learning program was quite transparent in what it was going to offer. So it gave me like an entry point, and I had the vision for where I was going to end. So it was all broken down in exactly how it was going to be paced. So in the beginning, I, of course, was trying as much as possible to juggle everything together. And at one particular point, I had an unfortunate incident where a family member had a bit of an emergency. I was able to get a bit of flexibility on submission deadlines with my program manager. He's really, really been very helpful, very, very proactive. If I were to pick a part of the curriculum that I liked, with the structure, I'd say it was the mentor sessions. I liked the mentor sessions a lot. The mentor sessions brought about something different. I think I'd say it was the ensemble learning where we had to do all the different machine learning projects all together. I think that one I really liked that one. That there are different ways that the models could work and that there are different models that could apply to different types of scenarios. So I think I liked that one. It's value for money. Simply, it's a lot of stuff packed into one. There's a lot of, and then the faculty is great. The dedication is great.